everyone. I am Pavitra Devi, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to take the class about data communication and networks for today enterprises. Okay, first what is computer network? Computer network is nothing but collection of interconnected devices such as computers, servers, etc. that exchange the data and share the some resources. That is called as computer network. What is data communication? Data communication is nothing but process of transmitting the data between devices and utilizing the various media like wired cable or wireless signal. What is node? Node is nothing but devices are connected within the network such as computer or servers within the networks. Okay, it is the basic of what is computer networks and data communication. Next one, overview of the data communication. Individual devices are connected within the network such as computer server or that is called as node. Next one, communication link, the physical or wireless pathway that connected devices in a network, enabling the data transmission. Protocol, what is protocol? Protocol is nothing but set of rules that govern how the data is exchanged between the devices, ensuring the efficient and reliable communication. For example, data communication, how we work in the organization or any other companies. Imagine one of the company office where several computers are connected to a network, sharing a printer or exchanging the data through the emails. This setup exemplifies the concept of data communication and the computer networking. The computer serves are the node connected by the communication links. For example, wired or Ethernet cables. These are the data communication points. The communication using the protocol like TCP/IP to exchange the data, transmission control protocol or internet protocol to exchange the information. Already we see in what is data communication. Data communication is nothing but the process transferring the information between two or more devices such as wired communication or wireless communication. That is data communication. Data communication is the process of information between two or more devices over the communication channel, often using the network. It involves converting the data into signal that can be transmitted, the decoding those signals at receiving the ends. This process relies on the various protocols, encoding techniques and hardware devices to ensure efficient and reliable data transfer. The role in the modern enterprise, data communication is the vital role of modern enterprises. The seamless information exchange or enhanced productivity and supporting decision making process in real time access, the communication between the various data networking, exchanging the information likewise. Next one, types of data communication. Types of data communication, we all classify into three ways. One for simplex communication, half duplex communication, full duplex communication. Simple communication is nothing but travel in only one direction from sender to receiver. This is the simple and cost effective mode, but it is limited to one way communication only. Next one, off duplex. Off duplex communication is nothing but data can flow both direction but simultaneously, but not in simultaneously. Sorry, data flow in both direction but not in simultaneously. One device transmit and another receive. Then roles are can switch. This offer the balance between cost and functionality. Next one, full duplex. Data can flow both directionally simultaneously. Both devices can send and receiving the data at the same time. It is full duplex. Off duplex, only one both direction work, but not in simultaneously. But full duplex working in only simultaneously. Both work can send and receive the same data. This is the most efficient mode, but also most complex and expensive models. Next one, networking fundamentals. Networking fundamentals is nothing but cover the foundational principles of connecting and communication between the device over the network. This includes understanding the network types, components, protocols, and how to exchange travel the crossing the networks. And the OSI model and TCP/IP model is classified. The OSI model classified into 7 layers. The framework working in the telecommunication and computer system. And TCP/IP model, TCP is nothing but Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. It is used for the simplified only 4 networking layer architecture. The key role is protocol in transmission data and serving the foundation of modern networking. Networking protocol. Network protocol are the set of rules that govern by the how data transmitted between the devices on the network. They ensure the computers can communicate efficiently and regardless of their underlying the hardware or software. Think of them as the common language for the computers, enabling them to understand and interpret the information sent to across the network. This is the networking protocol. Thank you.